What you doing?
Oh, I'm just fixing up some fresh produce. And this is an organizer I got at Hobby Lobby. They're like 2 or 3 times the price over at Amazon. But this is something I do once or twice a week, and it really comes in handy. And then I'm making up bags for the freezer, and I'm going to make some salad. So I'll use some of this. I'm going to cut up cucumbers. I've been cutting up broccoli, and then I've got some of these baby carrots. And I want to make split pea soup. But anyway, I put mixed vegetables in bags like this, and I try to do a few a week. So if I'm making a recipe, I just pull them out, whether it's eggs or breakfast, or eggs or a dinner item or a side item. I have them all ready to go. Been doing it for years. Oh, and I also made some fruit salad. There's no sugar in here, but there's flaxseed, chia seeds, grapes, fresh peaches, fresh apples, celery. I usually put pumpkin pie spice, vanilla, and arrowroot or stevia, but I didn't do it this time. I figured with all the fruits. Oh, and there's almonds in there, chopped almonds. Yum yum for the tum-tum.
I plugged in the ice maker after cleaning it yesterday and it's working. See? There's ice. And it's not saying full all the time. But this time I used distilled water so it doesn't get a scale buildup. So I'm going to just keep on using distilled water. The little flapper in the door between the left and the right side broke, and you can't buy them anymore for the 1210 refrigerator for Norcold, which is a evaporative refrigerator. So I put like a wire insulator in between the left and the right side of the fridge. The only bad thing is I have to open up both doors at the same time, but it's working, keeping the cold air in. Miracle, the rescue kitty, has decided
This is porch size. I need
to sit on my lap.
snack size.
Hi. He's 2 years old. Oh, a little driving video. I haven't done a driving video in a long time. Drive up into Kingman. Hopefully I won't overheat the camera there. It's 99 degrees outside. Oh boy. My air conditioner works intermittently. Last summer I spent $2,300. Conditioner works intermittently. There's construction on the road coming up. Interstate 11. Formerly 93. Is trying to reroute going through Kingman so that you can go through Kingman without having to stop at a stoplight. This is Agua Fria. 93 is coming up. When I think of Arizona roads, highways, next to next to Kingman, Arizona, I think of potholes. And always kind of makes me wonder what they do with the money. Like they use it for something else instead of fixing the road. Closer you get to Vegas, the roads get better. Closer you get to Flagstaff, it seems like the roads get better. I don't know about Phoenix. They don't seem too bad. It says road closures, expect delays. Church because I'm going to be doing some singing practice for Sunday. We'll be singing a Randy Travis song. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? That song. I was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day. Then I saw the bus come rolling for to carry my mother away. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? That song there. There's a banner on my way in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Okay, so this is County Pass. It says Kingman 5 miles. I haven't done a video on the construction they're doing. Even though it says like 55, 45. Well, if you're a truck, you're probably going 35. People still go through here like 90 miles an hour. Well, this truck has 225,000 miles. Considering how long I've had it, that's pretty good. I don't know if I could ever drive my Chevy truck that long, my GMC truck. Kind of makes you kind of want to get it. Kind of makes you want to get another Honda, because they're run for so long. Get over here so you can merge over. Okay, those mountains in the distance are the Wallabies. truck stops down here at the bottom of the hill. There's a TA down here and some other truck stops. Yeah, this is a mobile. The mobiles, you could fill up a truck there. There's USA Travel Center. They have some truck fill-ups in the back. But mostly the TA kind of stole business from them. And if you go to the right, it goes to Los Angeles. And if you go straight, where it says Beale Street, in that right lane there, where it goes straight, it'll go to Old Town Kingdom. And if you merge left, it goes to Interstate 40 heading east. So now we might have the traffic slow down here. I don't know. We'll see. Lots of potholes. Why they call them potholes? There's no pots in them. Oh, the air conditioner stopped working, so after I end this video, I'll roll the windows down. I have the other truck that has the air conditioner working. The only bad part is you only can fit 3 people in that truck. Because it's a regular cab. Alright. See, there's the ramp that they're working on. I'll get up to this crest here and you can see New Kingman.